Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Kyle. We're going to be looking into my toolbox. You see, I have it locked right now. I haven't really unlocked it before I decided to make the video. So, just, I got a bunch of craftsman tools. Just to let y'all know. Oh yeah. Up in this compartment, we just got a bunch of ear protection, which is one of the most basic PPEs. And then we got more ear protection. Now we're gonna see what's in the main. We got tape measure. This is semi-precision. A set of dial calipers. This is definitely precision. If you can see how small the increments are. We got an Allen, which I should have remembered to put in my ratchet set. Some safety glasses. OSHA requires you to wear safety glasses on the job website, even if you're just visiting. Another measuring tool. I got a total of 3 measuring tools. Some roof pliers. An electrician's tool. So right here, we just have decimal equivalencies, half round file, double cut, .16-ounce ball peen hammer, a digital multimeter, which this is pretty small, flat file, chisel set, which in here I got my center punch. As you can tell, you'd actually line it up where you want the hole and then hit it right here with the hammer. Like either use like a small sledgehammer or a ball peen hammer. Another Allen, which should go in my ratchet set. An adjustable wrench. This is what my teacher likes to call it, rat tail file. It's also known as the round file. Right here's the clamp-on meter. This, I need basically 2 AA batteries to get this baby running. But it's Craftsman, which equals lifetime warranty. And I got some scissors for when I need to open up packages. So I'm going to show you the small multimeter, which this is the multimeter. It has different settings. It has continuity, which is like, is there a connection? Is the line broken or is there just a connection? It's basically looking for a connection. So if y'all don't know what OSHA is, OSHA it enforces the safety standards. You can say it's kind of like bureaucrat-like, but there's Neo Show, which does the research. They'll come up with suggestions. Some leather gloves. These are goat skin leather. Steel-toed boots. This is just one of them. It's oil resistant, water resistant. I highly recommend y'all to wear steel-toed at all times. Okay. Right here is a socket. So I'm gonna grab. If you see these little lines, that means it's metric. The American is basically just plain old, no small dash lines. And here's some open-end wrenches. The wrench itself, little sockets, the extension. Like these go with the screwdriver. These are the screwdrivers. So it's 3 Phillips heads, 3 flat heads, which I recommend. Like the teacher recommends just normal screwdrivers for jobs. But if you come across a bolt where it's nothing like these, and you can't even get a socket around the head, and then I would suggest something like this. This little fitting will go on right on the screwdriver. It's magnetic, so you'll just unscrew, screw in, and unscrew. It's very tidy, lefty-loosey. Remember that. Allen hex key, Allen keys. Just to let y'all know that everyone has to wear safety glasses. I highly recommend steel-toed boots and get yourself a pair of leather gloves. But if you're welding, you gotta wear a welding shield, a welding face shield, which tints like there's auto darkening, which is a little more expensive. I find that works better, so you wouldn't have to just nod so it can come down. You don't have to keep moving it up and down. And some welding gloves, and if you're doing some stick welding, you get yourself sleeves and some welding, at least that's what I call them, sleeves. So I'll see y'all when you want to know more information. Just subscribe to my YouTube, please. Thank you very much. See y'all on the flip side. I'm out, y'all.